In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership in a Trello board. If you're looking to pass the torch of administrative duties on Trello, whether for organizational purposes or simply to delegate tasks, you're in the right place. In this simple process, I'll walk you through each step to ensure that you can transfer board ownership smoothly. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Trello account. Head over to the Trello website and click on the login button. Once there, select the option to log in with Google. If you use other services, make sure you choose the login method that aligns with how you originally signed up for Trello. Once you've clicked on Google, pick your Google account from the list that appears. This step will get you logged in securely. After you've logged in, it's time to navigate to the board where you want to transfer ownership. You can do this by locating your boards which are listed on your Trello dashboard. Simply click on the appropriate board from the list to open it. Now that you're inside the board, we can move to the next step, which involves sharing the board. To do so, look for the share button, typically found towards the top of the page. This button allows you to manage who has access to the board and their level of permissions. Clicking share will open up a new window or sidebar, presenting you with the options related to board members and permissions. Now your goal is to transfer the admin role. Find the member drop-down which lists all the current members of your board. From this drop-down list, locate the person you wish to assign the admin role to. Once you've found the right individual, select them and then choose the option to promote them to admin. This effectively transfers administrative rights to them. With the new administrator in place, you'll now need to step away from your role on this board. Click on the drop-down menu located near your name on the board. This drop-down houses options like Leave Board, which is the final step in relinquishing your connection as a board admin. Once you click Leave Board, a confirmation pop-up will appear, ensuring that you indeed want to proceed with this action. To complete the process, all it takes is one more click on Leave in this confirmation dialog. And that's it, you have successfully transferred ownership of the board and stepped down as admin. Now the new admin can manage the Trello board as needed. This straightforward process ensures a smooth transition, keeping your collaborative efforts efficient and organized without any hiccups. Thank you for joining me today in learning how to transfer Trello board ownership. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need it as well. Stay organized and happy Trelloing.